Hello guys, good morning. This is Jan, your Tonga traveler. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do and click the notification bell so you are updated on my future uploads. So guys, we are now here in Rosendal, Norway, and we are staying in Rosendal Fjordhotel. So because of what's going on nowadays, guys, because of the coronavirus, so we are having a breakfast now, but then we need it's just the waiter who's going to, we just need to pick and say what we want, and then he picks. There's no more buffet like we're used to. So this is like the norm here in the hotel. So I have here my breakfast: eggs, vegetables, agurk, cucumber, bacon,
2, 3, 4,
watermelon, yes, and also bread.
and coffee.
There, yes.
Coffee, Jenny?
Yeah, coffee and sugar, please.
What?
Yeah, you need coffee.
Yeah, you need two.
Yes, thank you. Okay. So anyway, guys, so we are eating outside. I think it's best to eat outside, guys, because there's not so many guests here, but they're eating inside, so it's best here. Yesterday we had the late dinner here, and the food was really good, guys. You should try their steak, ox steak, yes, and yeah, and also here is also the perfect spot to watch the sunset. It was very, very nice yesterday. So here is the sunset. Okay guys, my coffee is still very hot, so I am going to make a short walk so you can see the place here. So let's go. So this is the view you have that you see in front of the hotel, Rosendal Fjordhotel. So we are going to walk on this side first. They got a bench here for anyone who come and just sit here and relax. And those red thing, that's like a boat house. Yes. There we go. And they got their own kai. What's that in English? So if you have a boat, you can just anchor up here, and also you can go swimming. Yes. So let's go to the end of the thing there. And that's the hotel, guys, and that's the restaurant. We ate there last night. Time check, it's 8:47 guys, and it's already hot, so I think it's gonna be a very hot day again, same as yesterday. There we go. Velkommen, velkommen til Rosendal Fjordhotel. Yes, so reservert kai. So if you have your own boat, you can anchor up here, and it costs 250 Norwegian kroners per døgn. Per døgn, that's inside the 24 hours. Here's another bench again. Benches here where you can just do some, enjoy the view of the fjord. Yes, of the fjord. Yeah, the beautiful landscape in front of you. Yes. Here's a mini playground for kids. So that's a hotel guys, and we are staying in the second floor, and they got a very well kept lawn. Okay guys, so we just had a walk in the center here in Rosendal, and now the checkout time is 12, so we need to start thinking of going back. And I'm gonna show you a little bit here, so hold on a second. I'm gonna take a sprit here, my hands like that. So I've been outside. So here's inside here. So here we got beautiful paintings, and you can buy them if you want. It's 4,500 kroners. Yes, nice paintings guys. Here too. And that's the front desk. We go check in here. That's the restaurant. Yeah, it's the restaurant. So now we are going to our room. Yes, we are staying at the second floor. So here is also another exit if you want to go out into the lawn outside. Got electric chair. Yes, you can get out this way. So here's husk å holde god avstand til heisen alene, ikke sammen med andre. Alternativt kan du bruke trappa. So that means you should have social distance from one another, and if you're gonna use the elevator, you should use it alone, or else you're gonna use the stairs. So I'm just gonna use the stairs because we live in the second floor. There you go. Hi. So we are staying here. We are staying in room 255, and it's a non-smoking room. So guys, I'll just what you call this one, let you know it's a little bit messy. The room is a little bit messy, guys, so excuse me. Please excuse. So here is our room. So first we have a cabinet here, few hangers and extra pillows. Yes, and then we go come here at the bathroom. Yes, that's the shower in there. Toilet. Yes, that's the shower. Okay, now we are going here. Yes, it's messy, guys, so I'm sorry. Yeah, nice bed. Soft bed. It's comfy bed. Nice paintings. We got television, mirror, and we borrowed the iron board and iron. Yes, so we used the 2 couches there for our bags. So yes, so here is the view, guys. So we have here 2 stools, 2 chairs and a table. If you just want to enjoy the view, and that you have a view here of the restaurant. That's the restaurant. Yes, so here it is, and there's kids there. Oh, teenagers swimming. I think it's kind of cold. And here some teenagers again. I think they're from school and just having exercise, sports, and that, playing badminton. So yesterday we had a very fantastic sunset here too, guys. The colors were really amazing. Yeah. So overall, we chose the right place to stay because we were actually thinking of staying into a little cabin which is 1 kilometer before Rosendal. So we really did a good choice on staying here. So that's it for now, guys. And I hope you enjoyed my vlog for today, and see you again on my next upload, because after this we are going to Baronia. It's a castle. It's only 1 kilometer from Rosendal proper, so we are going there, and I am going to film there as well. So thank you once again. Thank you so much for watching, and please, if we are not friends yet, you can just click the subscribe button and the notification bell, so you get updated on my next upload. So bye bye and stay safe, guys. Bye bye.